Hey guys, home transformation is on air. Today is gonna be interesting, so let's start. First workout is more like a warm-up. You have 5 exercises, 7 rounds of them, you do them non-stop, have 3 minutes of rest after you complete 7 rounds before the next workout. You should know all of these moves by now, but let's quickly refresh it. We start with jumping squats. You can also use normal squats without jump if jumping squats for some reason do not work for you. After that, we do half burpees or full burpees. It's up to your decision, it's not crucial here. Any variation that you like. Push-ups after that. Push-ups, knee push-ups or half push-ups. Sit-ups after that. Same deal guys, you can use any variations of sit-ups. Hands, throwing hands forward, arms crossed on your chest or reaching forward with your arms, it's up to you. Towel rows. Just to remind you, you exhale every time you pull and you try to keep your elbows close to the body. And jump straight on the second round. So let's repeat again. The main idea is you have to do all 7 rounds non-stop. Obviously you can have a break if you need it. You can go as fast or as slow as you want, but try to make the whole workout non-stop. Enjoy!